Hello dear students, myself Priyanka Prunse. Today we are going to study 8th class chapter number 7 metals and non-metals. Dear student, at last lecture we were studied elements have three types: metals, non-metals and metalloids. At that time we were studying physical properties of metals. Now today we are going to study physical properties of non-metals. We will study this one by one. Let's study. Our first property is physical state. We know that there are three states of substances: solid, liquid and gaseous. Non-metals are present in all states, that is solid, liquid and gaseous. Different elements are present in different states. Okay, carbon, sulfur and phosphorus are present in solid state. Bromine is present in liquid state. Hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen are present in gaseous state. Let's recall. Carbon, sulfur and phosphorus are present in solid state. Bromine is present in liquid state. Hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen are present in gaseous state. Our second property is luster. Non-metal do not have any shine except diamond and iodine crystals. You know, these are iodine crystals. Okay, except iodine crystal and diamond, non-metals do not have shine. Okay, our third property is hardness. So all the non-metals are soft and brittle except diamond. Okay, in case of, if we take in case of colors, all the non-metals, some non-metals are colorless and others have different elements have different colors. For example, carbon in the form of is black in color, sulfur is yellow in color and bromine is brown in color. Our fourth property is ductility and malleability. What is meant by ductility and what is meant by malleability? Ductility means it can be drawn into thin wires, and malleability means it can be beaten into thin sheets. But dear students, non-metals cannot be drawn into thin wires and cannot be beaten into thin sheets. So they are non-ductile and non-malleable. Okay. Our next property is conduction of heat and electricity. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity except graphite. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, got it? Our next property is density. Non-metals have low density except diamond. Okay, dear student, this graphite and diamond both are the forms of carbon, but their atoms are differently arranged, so their properties are different. Graphite have different property and diamond have different property. Okay, our next property is melting and boiling point. All the non-metals have low melting and boiling point except solid non-metals carbon and boron. Okay, our next property is, our last property is sonority. What is meant by sonority? A sound is produced when gets struck by a hard substance. Non-metals do not produce any sound, so that non-metals are non-sonorous. So dear student, these are the physical properties of non-metals. Now next is metalloid. Okay, metalloid, such elements which are intermediate between metals and non-metals, means shows the properties of both metals and non-metals. Such elements which shows properties of both metals and non-metals, those elements are called as metalloids. What are the examples of metalloids? Arsenic, silicon, germanium, antimony. these four elements have properties of both metals and non-metals. So these are called as metalloids. Here A stands for arsenic, Si stands for silicon, Ge stands for germanium, and Sb stands for antimony. Okay. So today we discuss all the types of elements, metals, non-metals and metalloids. Thank you.